400,000 Gala tokens. Gala Crypto fam, welcome back to the channel. I just got out of the gym and had to make this video for you guys. So hanging out here and yeah, way down here in the bottom left-hand corner. Make sure you guys hit the like button for us. Subscribe if you haven't already. We love Gala Games right here on the channel. Talk about it all the time. Wanted to bring you up to speed on some updates. It's been a little while. You know, Gala still ranked a little bit outside that top 100 right now. So it's kind of going under the radar a little bit. So many people, including myself, you know, we only kind of look at that top 100 space. But when you look at Gala's year-to-date gains, which we're going to check out here, it still had a really nice run. And there's some really good news we're also going to highlight in this video. And at the end, I'll tell you about those 400,000 Gala tokens. So don't go anywhere. So current market cap right now, guys, just under 300 million. So this is not a small project, but nowhere near where it was in the peak of 2021. And here's the thing with Gala. At the start of the year, it was about 1.5 cents, 1.5 pennies, sitting right now closer to 4.5 cents, right? So a really nice surge here to start 2023. And they started off with a bang with just some huge news, whether it was the news about burning, the news about entering the mobile gaming space, then the news about acquiring Ember Entertainment. There has been a ton to talk about here with Gala Games, and they have been doing a fantastic job also, I must say, in the marketing department. That is somewhere where I think they've really made a concerted effort. I don't know that for sure. I'm not at the, at the table there, but just outsider looking in here, YouTuber looking in, they have been doing a lot more with their social media, and especially over on Twitter, where they always are giving updates. Now, this is coming from Benefactor in their Discord. I strongly encourage you guys to jump in their Discord, especially if you're already an investor here to Gala, because they are constantly updating the community. Now, this came out a week from today on March 14th, okay? It says, as you all know by now, we are building during the winter, but we weren't alone in that endeavor. In fact, we are very much not alone. We have partnered with C Squared to establish a fund that will invest in the ecosystem. We are the lead investor, but we also have some very powerful partners, the likes of GSR and Matic, to name a few. But the one you will be most happy to learn is partnering to build the ecosystem is Google's Gradient Ventures. That's right. Google's Gradient Ventures and Gala are partners in building in the Web3 space. So this came out just a week ago. Again, these constant updates to the community, I think, really help showcase what kind of future Gala has. And we saw what it did in 2021, guys. Here's the thing why I love Gala Games. They're not just building out one game. Now, there's a lot of great tokens out there building out one game, but if that one game doesn't work, folks, Gala has a plethora of games. Like that word? That's the word of the day. A plethora of games. Now they're going to have a plethora of games on the PC side and, oh yeah, the mobile side. Okay? So it comes back to the 400,000 Gala tokens. Well, all of this that I just stated in this video, including some other things I didn't even mention, like, Eric Schiermeier, the president of Gala Games, who's coming from Zynga Games, who's phenomenal, right? Who's done some tremendous things in that space coming over to Web3. There's a lot to like here, and that is why I currently own 400,000 Gala tokens. So I won't tell you exactly the price point, but it's a little bit higher here, but I'm getting close to average cost, getting close here with this price point. But listen, I think there are greener pastures ahead once we get into a bull cycle. I've always said this since we entered the bear market. I think gaming is one of those sectors that will explode when we get back and the retail money comes shuffling back into crypto. Appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you think about this down below. Don't forget to subscribe right here to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.